Good morning and God bless you, students. Today I am going to explain how to read and write larger numbers. Before that, once we recollect our previous concepts. In our previous class, we learned about digits, we learned about numbers, and also we learned about how to find greater and smaller number. Look at the screen. Let me share the screen. I'm sharing the screen, students. Yes. Look at the screen. I have given a larger number. I have given a larger number 2347658 2347658 and I ask to read and write the given larger number. What do you do? You may get confused and finding it difficult to read because there are no commas and no place values. At this point, we should use our Indian place value chart. Here you can see the Indian place value chart. I know you are very familiar with this numeration chart. In this given place value chart, you can see 9 places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, and 10 crore. There are 9 places. These places are grouped into 4 periods. How many periods are there? There are 4 periods in this given chart. Now, what are the name of these periods? Look at the screen. From the extreme right, you can see ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. Once again, I repeat, ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. Now we shall check how the given places are grouped. How the given places are grouped. We can notice that the first 3 places, that means ones, tens, and hundreds. The first 3 places form ones period. The first 3 places form ones period. The next 2 places, that means thousands and 10,000s, form thousands period. That means, once again I repeat, thousands and 10,000s form thousands period. The next 2 places, that means lakhs and 10 lakhs, form lakhs period. Lakhs and 10 lakhs form lakhs period, and the next crores and 10 crores form crores period. I repeat, the first 3 places form ones period. The next 2 places form thousands period. The next 2 places form lakhs period. And the next 2 places form crores period. While reading a number, all the given digits in the same period are read together. Hence, the given number we can read as 2 crores 34 lakhs 76,589. I repeat, 2 crores 34 lakhs 76,589. Here, you might have noticed the usage of commas. The usage of commas. Like place values, commas are very important to read larger number. Now we will see how to place commas for a given larger number. Students, from the extreme right, after 3 digits, look at the screen. From the extreme right, after 3 digits, you have to put first comma. Thereafter, every 2 digits. See, after 7, 1 comma is there. Then after 3, 1 more comma is there. So once again, I repeat, from the extreme right, after 3 digits, you should put first comma, thereafter every 2 digits. Now let's start our first exercise, exercise 1.1. Look at the first question. Write the greatest and smallest number among the given group. Yes, the first question, 15432, 15892, 15370 and 15524. Here you can see that 4 numbers they have given and they are asking which one is greater and which one is smaller. By using our previous concepts, the first day we learned about 3 rules. The first rule says that count the given number of digits. Here, all the numbers have same digits. Hence, first rule we cannot apply. The second rule, look at the highest place value. All numbers have same place values. The highest place values are same. So we cannot apply the second rule. Go for the third rule. What it says? Look at the next place value. That means we have to see the hundreds place. Here in the given first number, it is 4 and here it is 8 and here for the third number, it is 3 and for the last number, it is 5. From this, we can understand the greatest number is 15,892. I repeat, the greatest number is 15,892 and the smallest number is 15,370. So the first one I have done for you, my children. The second one, I have given it as homework. You can see one HW. It says do it as homework. Move to the third one. I have done for you. 75,671, 75,635, 75,641, 75,610. After checking all the digits by the rule, we understood that 75,671 is the greater number and the smaller one is 75,610. Now we are moving to the next sum, that is the fourth one that I have given it as your homework. So 2 sums I have done for you and 2 sums are your homework. Yes. Now we are moving to our second bit. What they are asking here. Write the numbers in AO stands for ascending order. Here with the help of one small picture, I have shown what do you mean by ascending order. Yes, smaller one will stand first and the taller one. That means smaller number you should write first and the bigger number you have to write last. So the first one, that is very easy, that I gave it as homework. And the second number, that second question I have done for you. 9,347, 19,035. Look at the number here, hundreds place is not there. It is 0. Hence we can read it as 19,035. The third number, 22,570. And the last one, 12,300. Hence, we can write or we can arrange it as 9,347 is smaller than 12,300 is smaller than 19,035 is smaller than 22,570. What is the meaning of this understanding, my children? 22,570 is the bigger number and 9,347 is the smaller number. Now, we are moving to our next bit, that is our third bit. Write the numbers in descending order. I have shown with the help of a small picture here. Descending order says start from the bigger number and move towards smaller number. Yes, the first question is your homework and the second one I have done for you. Look at the question. The numbers are 3,000, 8,700, 3,900 and 18,500. So the answer for this question is 18,500 is bigger than 8,700 is bigger than 3,900 is bigger than 3,000. I repeat, 18,500 is greater and 3,000 is smaller. Now, we are moving to our fourth bit. Put appropriate symbol. Here you can see that I have given 3 signs: greater than sign, less than sign, and equality sign. Yes. The first one, that is your homework. The second one, that too your homework. Third one, I have done for you. See that. 99454. That is, we can read the number as 99,454. The other number, 99,445. From this, very clearly you can understand that 99,454 is greater than 99,445. Look at the sign. Crocodile mouth is opening towards the bigger number. So this is the way, or in this way you can put your sign. Look at the next one, that is your homework. That is your homework. Now, move towards the fifth bit, that is, write the numbers in words. Already know You know that how to write the given numbers in words. The first one, here also we have 4 questions, my children. The first question I have done for you. 72642. I have given the answer as 72,642. When you copy these all questions, you have to write the commas. You have to put the commas wherever required. Now, the second one is your homework. The third one I have done for you. 66600. We can write it as 66,600. I repeat, 66,600. And the fourth one, that is your homework. So from this bit, 2 sums I have done and 2 are your homework. Shall we move to the next bit, children? Yes. The next bit, they are asking how to write the numbers in figure. What do you mean by figure? Nothing but in number. The first one, 40,270. That is your homework. You should do by yourself. Second one I have done for you. 14,064. See that? After 14, you can see 1 comma. After that 100 place, nothing is there. You have to fill by 0. By putting 0, 100 place you have to fill and then 64. So we can read it as 14,064. The third one, that is your homework. And the last one, that too, your homework. So in this bit, 1 I have done for you and 3 sums are your homework. So today we explain exercise 1.1. 6 bit we completed, my children. I think you are very clear in these explanations and all. So once we will go to the recap of today's portion, today's concepts. See that commas and place values help in reading and writing larger numbers. Will you agree with me? While starting, I had given a bigger number and it was very difficult to read and write. So from this, we conclude that commas and place values help in reading and writing larger numbers. The next one, in Indian system of numeration, we have commas after 3 digits starting from the right and thereafter every 2 digits. I repeat, in Indian system of numeration, we have commas after 3 digits starting from the right and thereafter every 2 digits. These are your today's explanation, but there is a reminder for you children. There is a reminder for you. Did you complete your yesterday's classwork and homework, students? Please do your work on the same day. Each day, when you start your respective work, don't forget to mention the date. Yes, students, that's all for today's class. Thank you. God bless you.